Today's our first full day in Osaka, and we're about to go rent a bike or a scooter and go to an udon place that we went to last year and really liked. Thankfully, the weather today is not too hot. At least for now, because right now it's just 9:45. I don't know about later in the day, it probably will be hotter. Right now, it feels great. We got a cold udon, a hot udon with 4 pieces and tempura, and a spicy cod roll onigiri. These are all the movies that CH like. I'm in this shopping mall that's connected to the subway station. Oh my god. Everything looks so good, but I'm saving my stomach right now because we're going to be eating a lot of good food today. I don't want to waste my stomach space on pastries. Oh. Yum yum yum. Yum yum. Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum. My melody. Banana. Banana. No. Banana. Banana. And I have to leave. I can't stay in here any longer. I want everything here. There's a huge lineup. Camera always eats first. Good. Yummy? Everyone here ordered one of these. It's a lemon sour, so I also got one to try. Wow, this tastes like a lemonade. It's sparkling water. But I want my melody.
Pink. Is it?
My melody. My top one.
Cute.
They said this one's 100 like pearl.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. I think next one is Kuromi though. Next one is purple.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Do it?
Sure, let's do it.
One more.
Open that. Is that not Kuromi? Open it though. I will crane myself.
It's 6:47 p.m. and I'm back at the hotel right now. I'm gonna do a bit of cleaning and unpacking before I head out. This room is an absolute mess because of how small it is. Oh my god. We're unlocking scooters again to go to Namba for gyukatsu for dinner. See, it just turned to Gachapon.
欢迎光临赤壁药妆店。赤壁药妆店在大阪有100家分店，有70年以上历史的日品应有尽有。全店购买1万日元可再享7折，满3万日元以上可再享95折，满5万日元可再享92折优惠。越多做人员。赤壁の赤壁の赤壁の大阪磯中心にもよくする
Oh no, this We found even more Gachapon. Now we're gonna go. I'm so ready. Look what CH got. He got all 3 colors.
No repeat.
Huh. Ooh, he's...
Close one, open one.
He wants the whole set. 走啦。Eh? Again? Already? You're not gonna open it?
I already know I gotta do it again.
Oh.
Oh, different. They're both different.
Wow. Red.
This is what's that called in English? Red comet.
I don't know. I don't know what he is.
This is gold.
Oh, 2 out of 4 collected.
Yeah. 2 out of 4 collector. I need to collect all.
We made it in the restaurant now. It took 30 minutes to get seats. Actually, no, 40 minutes. 40 minutes to get seats. And our food came right away. They give unlimited rice refills. There's soup here, spicy cod roll, mochi, and you take the cutlet and you grill it yourself over here. I just want to get throat medicine after dinner because a couple of days ago in China, I was in like a taxi for 40 minutes and I inhaled a lot of secondhand smoke and I have like a sore throat for a few days now and it's not getting better. It's just like I'm coughing. Okay, I bought this. Apparently this is supposed to be effective for infections and it's just like throat candies. I hope it works. This is our Gachapon. Look. So many. And we're walking back to our hotel now. For almost 1.5 hours, and now we're finally in the restaurant. I just realized, no wonder the wait's so long. There's only 4 tables in here.
Wow!
That meal was okay. The price was not bad either, but I don't think it's worth lining up 1.5 hours for. We're gonna go back to our hotel now, quickly pack up and check out, because we have to go to Nagoya today. Lining up for cream puffs right now. The store opens at 11 and it's like 10:50 something. So many people already in line waiting. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Wow, 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 wow. Did they get any? Oh, yummy. Approved.
It's a very it's a very buttery cookie, and cream is really buttery.
Worth the wait.
You know, not bad. The wait isn't too long. You only wait like 15 minutes.
Just when I thought I lost all hope, I got 2 hamyodans. Got Hello Kitty now. I wanted this one the most.
I'm trying not to shinkansen, it's quicker.
This is our hotel in... Hey, where am I? Oh. This is our hotel in Osaka, and it's a lot more spacious than I thought it was. I thought that I wouldn't even have room to open my luggage, but this is gonna be a good area for that. There's a TV, which I'm probably not gonna use, a mini table, 2 chairs for 2 people, 1 small mirror here, but there's also a full-length mirror here. And then you have the washroom. Very standard. And we're gonna be staying here for just 2 nights.